A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog. E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hen. I for ice cream, J for joker, K for kite, L for lion. M for mango, N for nose, O for orange, P for parrot. Q for queen, R for rose, S for sun, T for train. U for umbrella, V for vase, W for wheel, X for Xmas tree. Y for yacht, Z for zoo. Please subscribe and like the channel to watch more videos.